How to reset your Frollo password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily reset your forgotten password for Frollo. First of all, launch open the Frollo app on your device, and once you end up in this welcome screen, click on the login button at the bottom. Click the continue button to end up in the sign-in page for Frollo. Now in the login area, you'll be prompted to enter email and password. If you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset it, go ahead and scroll down and click on Forgot Your Password button. Soon after you do that, on the next page, write down your email address associated with your Frollo account. After typing it down, click on Continue. Now, you'll need to check your email inbox. You'll receive a reset link in your email. Open up the email that you received from Frollo and then click on Reset Password. Select any one web browser and this will take you to reset your password field. Go ahead and enter a new password for your Frollo account in the text box. After you do that, go to the next field and re-enter the new password that you just typed in. Finally, click on Reset Password. Now click on Open and this will open up the Frollo application. Now you'll be able to log into your account just like that. Next time, whenever you are trying to sign into your account, make sure you enter the newly updated password. So that is how you can easily reset your forgotten password on Frollo application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.